Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CROSSCALL Core M5 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator and if you want to have the percentage just like I have applied, then all you have to do is to enter the settings and then scroll down a little bit to find the battery. Now let's scroll down, and as you can see here we've got the battery percentage option. Probably you've got it turned off, so all you have to do is to tap on the switcher, and as you can see from now on your device will display the exact percentage of the usage of the battery next to the battery icon. Of course you can turn it off the same way. Unfortunately this is the only option we've got here, so we cannot display it, for example, inside the battery icon, but that's okay, and this option is much more visible. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.